Okay, this episode is about being frugal while you're camping. Um, Inflation is at a like 30% high in this past year since Biden got in there. I think it went up, like gasoline went up 31% this past year. Food is getting really expensive. I can't believe the prices I'm seeing on chicken. Um, so this episode is about buying the inexpensive hamburgers, um, which they call them, what do they call them? Great value. Okay, at Walmart. And in the past, I thought they were like leather. The really cheap hamburgers, the frozen hamburgers. They didn't taste too good. And everything else. But I finally went from the $1.50 hamburgers from the Black Angus, which are phenomenal. They're excellent. And I went to Great Value, which is only 70 cents a hamburger, less than half the price of the Black Angus. And I was very surprised. They're very tender. They're very tender and they're good. They're 75% lean. Let me flip this burger over. I've got it on a campfire here. So let's get this going here. So anyway, for less than half the price, they're very good. I like them. Very good burgers. Now I'm going to put on a piece of cheddar cheese. I got my chips ready, ketchup and salt and that kind of stuff. And like I say, that's a pine fire. I just made it using pine wood. So the fire didn't cost anything. Now the numbers, I'm checking the numbers. 70 cents for the burger, 15 cents for the cheese slice, 25 cents for the bun there, and 25 cents for the potato chips for that type of serving. That comes out to $1.35. Okay. If you go with the more expensive burgers, frozen burgers, a family of 5 will spend $360 a year more if you go with the more expensive burgers. If you're buying your hamburgers, cheeseburgers, whatever, at McDonald's or Burger King, one of those places, a family of 5 will pay $2,520 more. So if you're buying them at Walmart, you can save yourself $2,500 for a family of 5. Okay, it's and who knows what you're getting at those fast food places. So those are the number crunches that I've done, and that's about it. You could save $360 a year if you're buying the Great Value burgers versus the more expensive Black Angus brand. Or you can save yourself $2,520 from buying your burgers at Walmart versus the fast food places. Okay, that's about it. Just cooking out. It's in March. It's beautiful here in southern Arizona. It's in the 70s today. So I decided to just make a campfire, primitive campfire, and cook my my burger. Gonna throw that cheese on there right now, actually. I like cheddar cheese the most versus, like, say, American slices. So in a couple of minutes I'll be sitting down to eat this meal that I cooked over the campfire. Got some potato chips, and I like to toast my buns. And like I say, that whole meal there is costing me $1.35. A nice meal. And like I say, these great value burgers are good. They're tender. They don't, you know, like in the past I had different brands, and oh, they were real tough, like leather almost. But the great value brand, it's like 32 burgers for 22 bucks. A big box of them, frozen burgers. It comes out to 70 cents each, and they melt in your mouth. They're very good. 75% lean, 25% fat, but you need that fat, so that's fine. And like I say, I give them my okay. This is Eagle Eric out in the deserts of southern Arizona, giving you the pros and cons of spending a lot of money for hamburgers versus not spending a lot of money for hamburgers. Okay, Eagle Eric signing out.